Hi guys. Welcome to Creative Mind YouTube channel with another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to make GTA-style images using AI. First of all, open your browser and search Bing AI. Now open this site and then add your prompt. Prompt link is in description. Now click on Create. It will take few seconds. And here are the results. You can easily download this by simply clicking on Download. Now make some changes in prompt. And here we go. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.